and allow yourself to just show up. Hi everyone, my name is Shanique Dawkins and I am the artist behind this work.
Yay!
This evening was created with the intention of being mindful, slowing down, and as from personal experience, my personal experience, this is how I want to say cope, because it's where I go. My escape is either I paint or I make beads, and it's what makes me happy. So I want to share it with you guys, and it's a part of a project that was funded by the Brown Cultural Arts towards or geared towards just working or dealing with women going through transformational changes. We will get into making some beads. The intention is that you choose your color, whatever color speaks to you, and also a word. So let me do the first one. Okay, so write one word that represents how you're blooming right now. I'm going with courage. And I'm gonna pin it. So you guys can share your word.